How about? No, you don't, Babs.
They don't like him.
There you go. Can I see the...
These are the prices.
What you try? Let's
There's melon milk, condensed milk, low fat, coffee milk, yogurt cream.
Pasteurized milk. This is regular. Yung 1,000 meals, gano'n malaki? Oh, that's the one. Okay, 115.
Which one do you want to try?
Me?
Yeah.
You guys said melon's good, right?
Yeah, they have melon.
We don't need the full liter, do we? Yogurt.
Dati ko ang nakapack. Bali 22 po rito, dito ba bali 80 po.
Carabao milk.
Non-fat yan, may yung plain dyan.
Why don't we get the small ones?
Yogurt na po na non-fat with nata, gano'n. Tapos 10 minutes natin. Wala po kami sa melon o strawberry, alam ko.
Ano pa sa ba? Yogurt na nasa.
Mabak na. Parang 82 man.
Pandan, ba? Dito pandan?
Aba, ang size na, available.
Yan naman.
Babae,